Welcome back. If animated stickers on Telegram are starting to feel a bit distracting or maybe slowing things down on your PC, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to turn them off using the latest Telegram update. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Now, look at the top left corner of the app. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that to open up the side menu. From here, scroll down and click on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram behaves and looks. Once you're inside Settings, find and click on Battery and Animations. Telegram recently grouped performance-related options here, so this is where you need to be. Now, look for the option labeled Animated Stickers. You'll notice there's a toggle next to it. Simply switch that toggle off to disable animated stickers. After turning it off, don't forget to click on Save if the option appears. This ensures your changes are applied properly, and that's